I came here in 2006 and I started this new journey at CIF. I started working on the factory, later on engineering office, and after I take over the manufacturing process. The CIF basically it's a total solution provider for a laboratory product for different kind of environment. In our shop right now, around 50,000 square feet. Yeah.
How many employees?
Employees right now at this moment is 45 of them, but during that time we go up to 75. We switch with the microvolume. At that time, when we introduced microvolume, we were not covered on the shipping area, tracking the parts, what is, or the cabinets, what was shipped out. Production assistant give us a lot of opportunity to visualize and to see the product in a better way than was before. More clear, more helpful for the shop. On the machining area, we're talking about parts, and those parts we're talking about 1,000. And very, very complicated to manage that volume of parts without having something behind. And this tracking system with the RFID was absolutely amazing and simplify everything for us. Before we collect all this, I would say, rework or issue through the process with lots of paper through, which was going from one department to the other one. And production system have ability to centralize all those issues in one under the single umbrella, which is called warning center. And the warning center is capable to offer every single supervisor ability to see what parts are in that moment in rework or for some reason damage. That was the goal from the beginning, to identify all those problems and to see where we can improve. In terms of customer experience, from webcam perspective, absolutely great, and always on time, always they try to solve the problem, even if it was something which was taking a little bit more longer time. Really good communication and really good relation with them all the time. The plant cannot wait, and the product's supposed to move, and the data was important for us to stay alive. Yeah. WebCap was, I would say, that piece of the puzzle which was helping us to focus on the direction where is the most important.